everyone! Hi mga kabebski! Good day to all of you! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while that I haven't done my vlog because we went back to work after a 1-month lockdown here in Dubai. And since today is my day off, so I'm gonna do a makeup hack tutorial using this Superpower Matte Liptint by G21. I'm sorry, it's faded. I was doing this one earlier. See, when you're straight, it looks like this. It's not new. I think I've been using this one twice before. It will gonna serve as my eyeshadow, blush on, and lipstick. As you can see, my face is full of pimples, pimple marks, and acne because it's the weather change here in Dubai means it's very hot outside. So it is on adjusting process. Even though the vlog must go on, let's see how I can manage. I hope next time I can do a vlog on how I can get rid of pimples. But for now, let's do a transformation from ugly one to a beautiful one. Let's get started. My face is already clean. I already put a cream here. So next I will put foundation, liquid foundation. I will use Glam of Sweden liquid foundation. Next is I will use Essence Cover Stick Concealer. Okay, cover under my eye. So next is I will gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. It is Matte Poreless Powder. Next is eyebrows. I'm gonna use this one. Eyebrows with from eyelash. Next is eyeshadow. So I'm gonna apply this different. This shade is YUMI. So I'm gonna use some Maybelline New York Matte eyeliner. Fake eyelashes from Sarah eyelashes. But first I will put mascara. I'll use Maybelline New York, the color Soft. Next is I will gonna put again G21 from my blush on. I still have also the fit is showing. So it's okay. Ta-da! This is how it looks like, guys. I just changed my t-shirt using the Super Powder Matte Lip Tint by G21 with a twist of shimmering and lip liner. You can beautify yourself for anything and anywhere you want. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos updates. Have a great day, guys. See you in my next video. Adios!